Mommy be unboxing my violin money button. Hey, Mom. Ooh, here it is. Here is it. Here's it. Here it is. Here it is.
Okay.
And here it is.
Be gentle.
How do I get this
Mimi,
out?
there's a strap over here.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't see it.
Can you try to size it? If it fits you, put it in your neck. There's a chummy. Yes, it's perfect.
And
That's
then,
a 1/4 size, and then you gotta get your bow.
can we try it out?
Nick, this is how you get your bow.
Ooh.
Can I see the violin really quick? And we
It
gotta
doesn't
rosin it.
sound.
We gotta rosin it first. Okay, so this is Chummy's violin. It's a Palatino VN450, and it's 1/4 size. It's just the right size for her. I measured her arm's length from the neck to the palm of her hand, and she measures 1/4. So remember, you need to be very gentle. You can touch the hair of the horse. You gotta hold it this way.
It doesn't sound.
You gotta rosin it first. I gotta find the rosin. There should be some rosin here. There's rosin. Thank you for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.